So, hi dear Libras, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal love reading for Libra Sun Moon Venus Rising. And this is a reading from 22nd of July till 31st of July. Keep this in mind that this is journal love reading. It might or might not resonate with you. And the second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime, okay? So, let's start with your reading, Libra. Let's see your partner's current energy. What is your partner's current energy right now, Libra? Your partner's current energy right now is... I gotta cut the deck. Yeah. So let's see your partner's current energy right now is Queen of Swords. I feel like Libra, right now your partner is concealing their emotions, hiding their emotions from you, and they are acting really defensive towards you. And I'm very honest about this situation that they are trying to be very defensive towards you, but from inside they are not at all feeling like this. They are doing it deliberately, because I feel like might be they are deliberately trying to hurt you or deliberately trying to conceal their emotions towards you. There's something that they are right now hiding from you, trying to conceal from you, okay? And they're emotionally balanced, but they are right now being very blunt with you, okay? So let's clarify why they are doing like this. So I feel like they are being very honest with you, okay? They are not hiding anything, like they are not hiding any kind of thing from you, but yes, emotionally they are hiding their emotions from you. This is the thing. Blunt and honest it is. Let's clarify the Fool, the Ace of Cups, the Sun. Okay. See, I told you this person is feeling their hiding their emotions from you. They want to have a brand new beginning with you. They want to start this connection all over with you with love, with lots of love. They want a brand new beginning in this connection with you because they feel like you are making them really happy. You really make them really happy, Libra. So you could be dealing with a Virgo. You could be dealing with a Leo, sorry. So it is like you make them really happy and they want to start this connection all over again with you, but they are trying to hide it from you. Okay. So it is like they are feeling something else from inside. They are telling you something else from the outside. They are being a hard nut to crack right now. This is the thing. Okay. Let's see your current energy right now, Libra. Your current energy right now is, I feel like they are being very honest with you, what they want from you, and if they are not, and when they are not getting this, they are behaving very weird and blunt and detached and cold and off and all that. Let's see your current energy. Six of Pentacles. I feel like right now you are trying your best to balance your life emotionally and professionally as well. Most of the time I feel like you are trying to focus on your career and money right now. Okay, you are trying to balance your finances, you are trying to balance your emotions, and you're trying your best to give energy to this particular person as well. So you're ready to give them energy. You are ready to put in the effort, put in the energy from your side, but you want the equal give and take of energy from their side as well. This is your current energy. This is what you are right now experiencing. So let's clarify the Six of Pentacles in your current energy. Emperor, you could be dealing with an Aries, of Ace of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles. So you have decided that you are going to focus on your career, focus on your money, and you have decided that I'm not going to give a shit to any emotional drama here. I am just going to focus on my money. Surely but slowly but surely I am moving towards a better future. I want myself to be financially stable in life. This is your current energy. This is what you want in your life. This is your feelings for you right now, you can say. Okay, I'm not feeling any kind of emotional attachment here, emotional love or emotional shit here, but yes, you are carrying this energy. Whatever they are going to give me, I'm going to give them back. This is the tit for tat energy that you are carrying for them right now, and you are more focused on your career right now, on your business right now, rather than the emotional drama in your life. Okay, let's see their feelings for you, what this person feels for you. Devil, this could be a Capricorn that you are dealing with right now. This person is feeling obsessed with you, possessive, obsessed, and they are feeling like they are tied down with you. Sometimes they are feeling like they are in a toxic connection or toxic relationship with you. This is the devil energy. They are obsessive. They are very possessive about you. They are very obsessed with you. They are not able to come out of this situation. Sometimes they feel the negativity, the toxicity in this connection. but still they are not able to move on from this connection. This is the situation here. Okay, let's clarify the Javelin in their feelings for you. Very, very obsessive and possessive. Obsessed with your thoughts, obsessed with you. Let's clarify. Might be the third party situation here. Let's clarify. Queen of Cups, Five of Cups, Two of Wands. I feel like this person proposed you, or they gave you some kind of love offer, and you felt like you are not able to, take this offer right now, or you said no to them. There's something that you rejected, and they are feeling deeply sad from inside, deeply, deeply sad from inside, and they are just waiting. They are just eagerly waiting for you to, go towards them and talk to them, and have a conversation with them. So this person is very, very obsessed with you. They love you, they love you deeply, and I feel like they are feeling sad and regretful. They are just waiting for you to go towards them and talk to them. Okay, this is love. This is, they are feeling very, very sad, and they're just waiting. Might be they're waiting for the right time to connect with you all over again, but they are highly obsessed with you, highly possessive for you, and they're just sad and depressed without you. That is what they are feeling right now. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you, Libra. Let's see what this person wants from you. Ace of Pentacles. This person wants a brand new beginning with you. This is the Ace of Pentacles. This person wants to have to start this connection with you. Might be you guys are working together on same project or same company or something like that. So all this person wants from you is a brand new beginning. This is what they want from you, Ace of Pentacles. Let's clarify what kind of beginning they want from you. Let's clarify. They want a stable beginning actually. They don't want any kind of beginning like flirty energy or just for time pass or something like that. No, they want a stable beginning from your side in this connection. Let's clarify. Five of Wands, the World, and the Hierophant. See, you could be dealing with a Taurus, Libra. So I feel like this person wants you to end the fight. This person is feeling like the fight is over, the conflict is over, the fight, the battles that you guys were fighting from a very long time, might be this should be over, and all is over now, and now you should have a brand new beginning, and this person wants to have a long-term committed and or marriage relationship with you in the future. See, this person wants to marry you. Definitely this person wants to marry you, and they want to offer you something solid. They want to offer you this commitment and marriage offer. This is what they want from you. Marriage, commitment, long-term commitment. This is what they want. Okay, cool. So, let's see what is coming towards you till 31st of July, Libra. Okay. Star could be dealing with an Aquarius, a positive news, a happy news, a good news coming in towards you from their side. Might be you guys are going to start this connection on a very beautiful note again. I can see that you guys are connecting again. I feel like this is not over yet. You guys are going to connect with each other again. And you guys are going to be really hopeful about the future, that yes, everything is going to be fine this time. Let's start love again, okay? So let's clarify the start and the potential outcome for you. Let's Six of Cups, King of Pentacles, Devil again. So I feel like you guys are going to connect with each other because you guys have lots of sweet memories for each other, and you guys are missing each other very, very badly, and you guys are feeling like there should be a stable start, there should be a stable relationship. Again, you guys are stuck on each other, very, very obsessed with each other. I feel like this. So right now I'm feeling like your partner, whomsoever you are connected with, they are going to come back to you, because this is somebody who is a past person. Might be a past person is coming back towards you. Like might be this person was not connected to you from a very long time. This person is coming back towards you with a solid offer of commitment and stability and long-term relationship. And they are feeling obsessed with you. They are feeling like they are not able to come out of this connection, or they are not able to move on from this connection. That is why I can see this person coming in towards you. Okay, for some of you this is a past person that is coming towards you. For some of you it is the same person. They are coming towards you because they are feeling very, very nostalgic. They are not able to sleep because they are missing you very, very badly. They are feeling like there should be stability in this connection. There should be, a long-term commitment in this connection, and they are obsessed with you. they are still feeling so much connected with you. They are not able to move on because of this obsessiveness, or you can say because of this connection with you. And for some of you, I'm getting intuitively there is a sexual relationship between you guys, and you guys are addicted to each other. Okay, this is kind of addiction. I feel like this girl, this person is addicted to you actually. Yeah. So thank you so much, Libra, for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. God bless you. Namaste. Bye bye.